Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to search. Open Bing. Com or the Bing app and go straight to the box. Type a clear query that names what you need, for example, product model or place. Use quotes for exact phrases and a minus sign to exclude words. Once done, glance at the top filters, web, images, maps, because choosing the right tab narrows results immediately and saves time. Now refine results. Click filters and pick date or region to get current or local content. Use operators like cite, example, com or file type, PDF to find documents and exact sources faster. If you have an image, tap visual search to find similar items or identify objects. For hands-free searching, use the microphone icon, speak clearly and check to finish, save valuable pages to collections or bookmark them so you can return quickly. If a link fails, use the cached version or search site, domain to bypass navigation issues. Also try broader or alternative keywords. Make sure safe search and region settings match your intent and clear history if suggestions feel stale. If results still look off, reload, try another browser, or restart the app. These simple steps often fix search glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.